Good morning, guys. Today is exciting because we are setting up for Kasim's surprise party. Hey. So I just got on some Adidas leggings, a shirt from the men's section, and some flip-flops because we have to be super comfy today. I washed my units. I think I'm gonna put some curls in it for his party. So last week we just celebrated Alicia's birthday, and then it's Kasim's birthday and Angie's birthday, but Kasim's party is first, and then the next day we're going out for Angie's birthday. So I am a grandma. I don't know how I'm about to do all this, but yes. So you can, let's go. I bought everything. I didn't want to take you guys vlogging with me through that because it was just too much for me. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking tomorrow, and today I'm just gonna set up whatever I can today because I have to work Friday and Saturday. His party is Saturday, so I'm off today. So we're gonna see how much we could get done, and yes, I'm excited, but shh, it's a surprise. It's even a secret for me to not say nothing to Kasim because I be wanting to say something about like buying something. Like the other day I was like, oh, I gotta run errands. He was like, why? I was like, I gotta go to the store. Lay it off. It's gonna be the day of, you gonna switch up and watch. Do you know before I told him I was like, on the 28th, I gotta take you somewhere, thing on the 30th? Lord. He was like, you said the 28th, right? And I was like, no, the 30th. He was like, I swear you told me the 28th. I was like, oh, junk. Good thing he ain't playing then. Alright, so I'm blowing up balloons right now. I don't know how many. I think I'm gonna put some outside tomorrow, or maybe Saturday, the day of, so just in case it rains or something. But I gotta do the streamers of the balloons, and that's it. Everything else is like the food, drinks. Oh my god. I low-key like forgot his favorite color. Asked the other day, I was like, wait, what's your favorite color again? He's like, really? Really? After 5 years? It'd be like that. I had a headache. So this is what it's looking like. Some decoration progress so far. We're getting there, we're getting there. Alright guys, so the goat came through to help me decorate. And we're gonna have the food, some chips, the bottles. You're gonna say happy birthday when he comes in. I'm in the process of making jello shots. Oh, what's up in there? It's delicious. Y'all, I am like freaking out right now because my boyfriend should be here in like 15 minutes. I told him to be here by 8. I'm finally on time for once, but I know I have to go through these curls again because I just always have to. And I don't know why my hair, like some of it is looking dry. Like this should not be looking dry like that. Make sure I got all the clips out. So I'm like nervous. I'm super nervous. Like I'm acting like this is my surprise. I'm getting nervous because, oh my god, Everybody keeps calling me like, y'all. I changed the time because y'all know how black people could be. So at first it was supposed to be, I think I said like 8:30, but I wanted people there by 8:30, you know. And if I would have said 8:30, people would have came at 9 o'clock, you know. And no, I don't want that. So it starts to get let me plug up this. It starts to get dark around like 8:40. You know, I don't know. I didn't want it to start too late. Cause I know like some of his family might have, you know, to go home, and I wanted to make sure that they were able to make it. You know, not just thinking about his friends and myself. You gotta make sure everybody can make it. Yeah, let me try to recurl some of this. Cause I don't know what's going on. But I don't know, like, I feel like he knows, but I feel like he don't. I'm only saying that because people love to slip up, you know. I don't know, if he's really shocked, then I succeeded this. I was doing my hair super lazy though. Like, I haven't had a nap and I'm just so freaking tired. Like, I'm gonna make sure I try to spray this because it is 97 degrees out. This is how I'm looking. Hopefully these curls will stay. But yeah, his family just got to the house, so I'm like, because it's like nothing set up. Like everything's set up, but my mom has to put out like the chips and stuff, so that's scary. But yeah, let's see what's going on. I'm excited, I'm nervous. My boyfriend's still not here, which is surprising. He's usually like early. He either probably on time or early as heck, and he's probably gonna be on time, but let's see. Yes, I'm excited. See you guys in a bit. All right, so I have a surprise, and I have to blindfold you.
What?
I know. Sorry. You can be blind for a little bit. Put it on.
Yo, you back. What you mean put this on? What is this? It's about to go around the corner. Son.
Ain't no son, put it on. Boot it on. Boot it on.
Wait, you vlogging this?
Yes.
What? Alright, let me shut up. I'm going to sleep.
See you guys soon.
Seems like time's out of our control. It's a celebration. It's your birthday, baby, it's your birthday. Yeah. Who's gonna love you on your birthday?
Come on.
Come on, wait.
Come on. Give me a hand.
Sounds, you gotta grab it.
Alright, sorry. Oh my god. Can you walk faster?
Yeah, I am blindfolded. What are you talking about? What is this? Yo, you can't let me go.
I'm sorry.
I cannot see nothing.
Alright, just walk fast.
Sorry.
I'm right here. I'm walking you in the right direction. I can't.
But I
like,
don't know.
I got mad stuff in my hand, bro. Ah. Stepped on my foot. You walk first.
Huh?
Walk first, bro.
Walk first win.
Take off your blindfold. Sorry, we're a little late. They kept a secret.
Yo, y'all gotta chill. You
Ray Moose is going, both, or just one? And
Yo, stop. You can't be doing stuff like that. Thank you very much. Yo,
Oh, John, that was recording the whole time.
somebody probably came in here and did some bullshit.
I got him, y'all. I got him. He's so shocked. More people's coming later, but more people coming later.
She got chill, yeah, she got me.
Is it like I got you? Huh?
You got me.
Y'all know he's shy. I'm so surprised. I thought somebody was going to tell
Yo,
me.
y'all gotta stop.
Briscoe and Perry, I thought they was gonna tell you.
This,
Are you mad? Not I said look. I said
that's the, yeah.
Oh, that's what you do? Oh, I'm sorry.
She said that's what you keep taking them.
I am. I'm getting y'all off guard. Yeah, I'm getting all y'all off guard.
you just had to. Well, that was cute anyway.
Look, yeah. Don't start. Always snapping.
Love the sweets. And Sean.
When y'all finish your hers, y'all can look over here. Look at the photographer. Vlad birthday tomorrow.
You already?
How old you turning?
Oh
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
We getting old. Place right now. Y'all got so stellar. This is birthday. That's what y'all Oh yeah, y'all got so. Oh, let me get one. Hold on. Caught her. A fly got in here. A fly. Turn the bar. Let's rage. Let's rage.
I'll give them. Surprise!
What are we doing? What version? Which version? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cousin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 30 years old. Make a wish. Cancer gang. Bye.
Yo.
Yay. You like your cake?
What you wish for? $1 million?
Better.
Oh man. Hey. I said you don't look different. Where's my cell phone? Oh man, I missed that one.
You got it.
Yeah.
You said record.
Did you record this?
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Jeez.
How's it look?
I gotta play it off again. Yeah.
Head ass.
Do it again. Bye.
For me, this is my vlog taking over now.
How you feeling? How your wrist?
Yeah, I do the food I get there now.
Yeah, better? What happened?
Soup parody. It's like, nah, let me stop.
Somebody told me that you broke it. Somebody told me.
I thought you've been recording. Now I'll take a picture. Oh my god, this is like perfect for like, you just sit here and like have a conversation with yourself, like an interview.
Oh my god, your idea.
Oh my god, listen to my idea. Ready? Sipping with Alicia. YouTube. Okay. Every day I'm a guest. And we talk about like issues and while we're drinking. I'm the guest.
Yeah.
Okay guys, today was a success. A little get together. Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
You're not in the camera. He too tall. You sure?
Yeah.
Nah.